If you missed Bitcoin, if you missed NFTs, AI influencers might be the next wave. And today I will show you a platform that lets you create your own AI influencer and get paid for it immediately. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully original AI influencer from scratch, how to animate and generate realistic videos, and most importantly, how Higgsfield pays creators through their new M platforms. You don't need a big audience, you don't need brand deals, you just need content. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing Gen AI platforms right now, built specifically for creators. Their main product is AI Influencer Studio, where you design, control, and animate digital personas. And they just launched Higgsfield Earn, which actually pays you for posting AI influencer content on YouTube and Instagram. Now let's generate our first AI influencer content. I'm just going to head over to generate your first AI influencer. Now over here, I can choose to use one of these templates or I'll just go straight to create new. All right, let's create new. Then if you come over this side, you see the character type. You can choose a human, an ant, a bee, whatever you want. So I'm going to go for a human. Then the gender. You can choose female, male, trans man, trans woman, non-binary. I'll go for a female. And then you can choose ethnicity or the origin base. African, Asian, European, mixed, Middle East, Indian. All right, let me just go for let me go for Asian. Then you can choose the skin color if it's black, white, purple, brown. Okay. Let me just go for this color. And then the eye color, you can choose eye color black, purple, green, white, brown, black. Okay, let me go for a blue. Let me go for a blue eye. And then the skin conditions. You can choose this vitiligo, pigmentation, freckles, okay, bones. Okay, I'll just choose freckles. Then the age, if it's an adult you want to create, a mature person, a senior person. All right, let me just go for an adult. And then advanced settings, you can choose the face, body, styles, and then the eyes type, human, reptile, mechanical. All right, how about if I go for a reptile? No. Let me just stick with human. Let's stick with human. And then the body type. So you can choose slim, lean, athletic, muscular, curvy, heavy. How about a muscular Asian woman? All right, let me just go for muscular. Then I don't know how it will be like, but let me just go for muscular. Then the style, the hair or head growth. Correct. Bald, short hair, longer hair, afro, punk hairstyle. How about I go for a long hair? All right, what I really like about this editing workflow is that you can generate an image for us. You can generate your work, then refine it directly until the character looks exactly how you want it. So what else can we change? The rendering style, hyper realistic, anime, cartoon, 2D illustrations. Let me go for hyper realistic. Okay. So accessories, tattoos, piercing. Okay, I don't think I need all right, let me just go with piercing. Right, piercing, and then I think we're good to go from here. Right, so once we're done with building our AI influencer image, and if you don't want to do this manually, the building, the workflow, you don't want to do editing yourself, you can just use the prompt over here and then type everything you need. I'm just going to stick with the builder. So we've gotten all we need. We just need to go to generate. So we'll come over here and then we'll click on generate and wait for it to load our image. So while we wait for this to load, there are other things you can actually do. You don't just stop at eyes. You can do for the eyes details, if you want it to glow, the mouth and teeth, the ears, the horns. If you want your image to have a horn, facial skin material, surface pattern. Oh, there's a lot you can do. You just need to pick the choice. If If you want to create a half human, half animal, you're good to go. So let's just wait. I think now it's in progress. We just need to wait a few minutes and then it's done. So here is the AI influencer video we've created. Now I would have loved to add a horn. Let me know how it feels. Well then, let's just go with this. Then the next thing to do now is to add motion to make our image to take an action to do one or two things. So once your character is ready, you've done the editing, you've gotten exactly the AI influencer you want, and then the next thing is for you to add motion. You bring them to life using Higgsfield motion engine. This allows controls, expressive movements, not stiff AI motion. You can generate videos up to 30 seconds, HD quality, perfect for short reels, TikToks, and more. So I'm just going to go over so I'm just going to come over here where it says video, and then I'll click on it. So as you can see, it has shown some videos that we can, copy from or imitate from. But then I would love to explore more of this video, so I'll just choose one I want. If I wanted to dance, shake, or the rest, I'll just click on explore more. Alright guys, so over here you have a lot of motion to copy from this library. You can scroll and choose the one you think to imitate or copy from. So okay, maybe I should just go for this. I'm just gonna go for this. As you can see, once I click on this, you'll see that this will reflect on this side on this front, so you can see the exact motion I chose. Now over here you'll see the quality. So 720p gives you the balance quality, and 180p gives you a higher quality. So I'll just go for 180p, and once that is done, okay, before I click on generate, if you come over here, you see the option to cancel. Once you cancel this image, you'll be able to see an option, a button that will allow you to import picture from your device. If you have an influencer you want to use, you don't want to follow the grid setup on the website, you can import the default picture. Now, custom picture. So now I'll click on generate and then wait while it generates our video, right? So guys, our video is ready. Now let's see the output of what we've done so far. As you can see, it's doing exactly what the motion was doing. So you can do this for other motions features. Now the next thing we are going to do is the Higgsfield Earn. How you get paid using Higgsfield Earn. Now let's go over to Higgsfield Earn tab. Alright, before we go over to Higgsfield Earn tab, let's download this. So download this, just come over here and then you click on this download button, and then you can share it on your social media, on your YouTube, on Instagram, and other social media platforms, right? So right now it is downloaded. So what is Higgsfield Earn? Higgsfield Earn is the first platform I have seen that directly pays creators for AI influencer content. Here's how it works. You come over to Higgsfield Earn and then you click on start earning. If you come here, you will see the available campaigns you can go for. As you can see, this one is Earn with AI Influencer Studio. This one, best AI video tools on Higgsfield, and you see the payments and the end dates. This one is on 29th. This one is on the first. Let's click on this. So guys, once you're here, you will be guided the steps, step 1, step 2, step 3 on what you need to do to get paid. The first one is generate promo code, create content, submit, and then get paid. And then below you see the campaign brief and key. This is it. Here you have you can find your video assets, overview, key details, feature description, tutorials, video guidelines, bonus, and all. Understand? So all you need to do is go through it and then follow it and create your video. And so once you're done creating your video, the next step is to get paid. Scroll down over to the bottom left. You after the key brief and instructions, you see the options to paste your YouTube video link. And then if you opt in for Instagram, you're going to see the option for Instagram video link here and Instagram short. So this is my dashboard and I chose YouTube video. That's why I'm seeing YouTube video option. So the first time you click on the link, you're going to see to go for Instagram or YouTube. So if you use Instagram, you're going to be seeing Instagram link here. All you need to do is to paste your video link over here and then your payout options. Payout uses Ghana. You can download Ghana direct from Play Store, register, and then you place your link here and then you click submit. That's all. So who is this for? This is perfect if you are a content creator, a beginner with zero audience, interested in AI side hustle, or just experimenting with digital personals, you don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive gears, just creativity. So if you like to try this yourself, you like to create these videos and earn directly on Higgsfield, I have dropped the link below the video description. Create your AI face influencer with Higgsfield and start earning from your content right away. Welcome to AI influencer era. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye for now.